Are you looking for the best drones for photos and video? In this video we will look at some of the best drones for photos and video on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Potensic 3-Axis Gimbal 4K GPS Drone. Potensic 3-Axis Gimbal 4K GPS drones under 249 grams max 6 km for adults and beginners. Atom offers an extraordinary way to capture the world from above, combining lightweight portability with professional level imaging. Every flight brings a sense of freedom and adventure, allowing adults and beginners to explore landscapes and cityscapes with a fresh perspective. The drone delivers stunning 4K visuals with remarkable clarity, preserving every detail of scenery, movement, and light. Its 3-axis gimbal ensures smooth, stable footage, transforming ordinary moments into cinematic experiences that feel alive and immersive. The GPS system provides precise navigation, giving confidence during flights while opening opportunities for creative exploration. Designed to be compact and easy to handle, the drone is accessible for beginners while still appealing to seasoned enthusiasts seeking professional quality results. Potensic 3-Axis Gimbal 4K GPS drones under 249 grams max 6 km for adults and beginners. Atom inspires imagination, offering a seamless connection between the user and the beauty of the world, turning each flight into an unforgettable visual journey. Number 2. Potensic Atom 2 Camera Drone. Potensic Atom 2 Camera Drone 4K HDR Video 8K Photo 3-Axis Gimbal under 249 grams vertical shooting 10 km AI night shot. AI track brings a new level of excitement to aerial photography and videography, turning every flight into a creative adventure. Flying this drone feels effortless, allowing users to explore landscapes, cityscapes, and hidden corners of the world from a unique perspective. Its 4K HDR video and 8K photo capabilities capture every moment with remarkable clarity, producing visuals that feel vibrant and alive. The 3-axis gimbal stabilizes each shot, making every frame smooth and cinematic. Vertical shooting unlocks new creative angles, while AI night shot allows capturing stunning imagery even in low light, making night skies and city lights come alive. With AI track, the drone follows subjects intelligently, creating dynamic footage without constant manual control. Compact and lightweight, it is easy for beginners to operate while offering professional quality results for enthusiasts. Potensic Atom 2 Camera Drone inspires exploration and creativity, letting users connect with their surroundings in ways that feel immersive and unforgettable. Number 3. FIMI Mini 3 Foldable Drone. FIMI Mini 3 Foldable Drone 4K Professional for adults with a camera 60 fps 3-axis gimbal 245 grams 9 km HD trans GPS auto return transforms every flight into an extraordinary adventure, letting users capture the world from breathtaking perspectives. Its lightweight design makes it effortless to carry, while foldable construction ensures convenience for travel and exploration. The 4K professional camera records stunningly sharp videos and vibrant images, delivering cinematic quality that elevates creativity. The 3-axis gimbal stabilizes each shot, allowing smooth and fluid footage even during dynamic movements. 60 fps recording ensures motion appears natural and detailed, enhancing every captured moment. Advanced GPS technology enables precise navigation, while auto return provides peace of mind by safely bringing the drone back when needed. With a 9 km transmission range, users can explore vast landscapes and urban scenes without limits. FIMI Mini 3 Foldable Drone combines portability, precision, and professional quality imaging, inspiring curiosity and encouraging new perspectives on the world, making each flight a memorable and creative experience.